Hi, this is Alex from Beech Hill Garage. On offer we've got this delightful MGB Roadster, finished in stunning red with a colour-coded hardtop to match the car. We've known this car a very long time, indeed heavily involved in the restoration of it many years ago. Car remains in absolutely outstanding condition, as you'll see as we go around it. Really nice example. Nice paint finish within the wheel arches as well, gives you an idea of the extent of the restoration work. I've been all around the car, can't find any marks or corrosion anywhere. It really is a testament to the owner. Certain these period mini light style alloys. All the chrome work is good. Appears to be a work style hardtop, which is quite sought after in itself, even more so that it's been colour coded red. Got these attractive period bullet style mirrors as well, all in good shape. As I said, no marks, no corrosion anywhere on the bodywork. It really is in very fine condition indeed. As you can see, ticks over nicely. The electric fan just kicked in. Under the hardtop, the hood is all good. The car's been fitted with these uprated leather face seats with the perforations, all in really good shape, no issues at all. Quick look at the boot whilst we're here. So mini light spare, partly carpeted, jack tool roll, which is nice to have. Seats in really good order. Nice fitting overdrive. Oil pressure. There we are, so perfect PSI. Oh, it's warmed up, obviously. Showing 68,000 miles, but no idea whether that's from new or from restoration. But nice mounted wheel there as well. Let's just pop around the other side and pop the bonnet for you. Revitec fans cut in, all very clean and tidy under here. Clearly a very thorough and detailed restoration. Engine bay is all really clean and tidy. Very late frame bumper car this. Few bits and pieces with the car as well. I think you can see a hood cover there, photograph album covering the restoration, and also a display board for shows, if that's your kind of thing. Car cover, so a few other bits and pieces. So yeah, all in all, a really nice, clean, tidy example in really excellent condition. Any questions at all, please do get in contact with us at Beech Hill Garage, and thank you for watching.